Hello, you guys, and welcome to Reviews with Whitney D. I'm Whitney D. Let's get into this, shall we? It's just my view. Hey, I digress. It's exciting. Okay, so you were able to see that clip about this wonderful father that was using his ring in order to question, if you will, or interrogate his daughter's date that was approaching the home. I think that was phenomenal. He stated how he wasn't home and he just wanted to, see about the guy. And the daughter was so cute to pop her head out, like, hello. He was like, back up, I got this. I think that was very cool. My husband and daughter did their first father daughter dance, and I got her all dolled up, and he asked her to the dance by kneeling, and it was just so sweet. And I feel that we need more situations like this. I, to be honest with you, am not going to allow my daughter to date in high school because I feel like during that time, that can be distractive. And I mean, you might disagree with me or what have you, but while you're in my house, I can control your fate. I control your destiny. Okay. I just want to be able to teach our daughter, our sons, about properly dating, about properly just getting into this world and setting them up, better, showing them how to court an individual and not just be in and out of these relationships and things like that, hurting people's hearts, getting their hearts hurt, and just getting them prepared for the world. Because, I mean, I just went out there blindly, and I didn't know the game, got my feelings hurt, and I went through a lot of situations in high school because I really didn't have any guidance or direction. So you tend to learn from those things, and so I want to do it differently with my children. And so it starts here. We've opened the line of communication with our children. We talk about stuff, even the most uncomfortable things. And we have a 13-year-old son that we talk to about scenarios and stuff like that. But I don't know. I just really liked this video. I thought it was very sweet and warm for the father to be so engaging as he did, and the guy seemed to be a good guy. He, didn't give his date's father any uh, issues or whatever. Wasn't smart acting or anything like that. And I like the way the curfew changed from 11 to 10:30. That was cute, and just the dialect in which they had father to man like that. I thought that was real dope. And we need more fathers to step up like that. It's not the mother's role to do that. It is the father's role to be present, to say, hey, this is my daughter. And that's why it's so important for the fathers to give their daughters away in marriage, because they're the head, they're the overseer of the house and the children. But I don't know. I don't want to get into this whole lecture with you guys. I thought this was a beautiful, sweet, and warm moment, and I just wanted to bless you guys on today. Well, tell me what you think down in the comments below. Do you think that this father was a pushover and you're like, okay, that's a little bit too much? Or are you with me and saying this is very sweet and warm and we need more situations like this? I don't know. Tell me what you think down in the comments below. While are you there, please take out the time to like, share, sharing is caring, and subscribe. If you are already a subscriber, thank you so very much. Let's continue to grow our channel. But do not forget to click that notification bell so you'll know every time I upload. Thank you so very much. This has been Reviews with Whitney D, and I'm your girl, Whitney D. Bye. I digress. Signing off. Deuces.